Eating vegan foods is best for the body. Learned some stuff and felt I had to tell somebody. Woke up and decided to love my body. Ain't no way in hell I'm eating a dead body. Animals are friends. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Bliss. Welcome back to Bliss, subscribers. I love you. Guys, you could believe what you want to believe, but I never wanted to come out of the tree. I got up there and I just wanted to hug it and stay up there and just sit. And I even saw a heart that I was sitting on. It almost made me cry. I love hearts. In my world, they represent love. And love is everything. God is love. Remember that. Let's get to my skates though. Impala Jones. I was so excited to see that they came with a set of pads. I had already bought some from learning how to longboard, but this is a bonus and they're super cute. I ordered these skates in March and they're just now coming, so you can imagine how excited I was. And then just to open it and see that it's an extra gift inside, that's dope. I love the aesthetic. I love the color, the wheels, everything. I was about to get a different color, but I'm so happy I got the pink. I don't have to match, but I was gonna say I have a lot of pink stuff, but what is matching? What is matching? That's too many rules for me, my baby. There's one rule in life. Love. You better love me. Love yourself. Love your people. And I love these skates. For this piece, let's get ready. Who in the world has a popsicle bag? This is so freaking cute. When I see stuff that I love, I scream, okay? So I had to get it. The keychains are super dope too. I love this creator. She made my life change. Electric Bubblegum, you made my day, girl. Home girl, sis, baby love. I got the juice. If it's unique, pretty, creative, gimme. Now this girl had to be somewhere laid up in heaven to come up with the idea to make these items that I purchased from her store, because that's how cute they are. And that's how much they touched me. If you don't look at this and think this is cute, I don't think my page is for you, baby. If it speaks to my soul, it's mine. And I'ma need like 9. It's like, no. But just enjoy this. Look at this. Look at it one more time. Up close. This one too. It was 3 different kind of keychains and I had to get one of each type because I couldn't decide. Same with this purse and keychain. It's a lightning bolt with black and pink. It's so cute. It's just the summer of the jelly bags for me because I'm in love. Your girl in love with these. You know what I had to break away from? Usual and traditional standards. Oh girl, that don't look like no mom of 3 30 plus purse. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I want to do and what I like and what make me happy. This little cute piece I got, I will have the links for everything down below, of course. But it's just a skate holder, skate strap. You put your skates in there, and now I got a little, even though I got a skate bag, if I don't feel like carrying that big bag, I could just use this. I barely ever wear earrings, but I had to. Look. My energy, your energy, makes the world go round. Vibrate high always. It came with some cute instructions on learning how to skate and practicing stopping. So now it's time to put the brake on my skate before I get started, because I definitely will be rolling today. I can't imagine trying to put socks on with these, because they are tight trying to put them on without socks, and nice and comfy, real thick boot. So maybe you should go a size up if you want. I got my true size, which is an 8. Like I said, the link will be below, but these sold out so fast. I'm not sure when they'll restock. Time to roll out, baby. Let's go. Come with me. Dear Diary, today is so beautiful, and rollerblading is just like riding a bike. You don't forget, you just go. Thank you guys for hanging with me, watching another video that I put together with my heart and soul. I'm very intentional, and I want to heal, I want to love, and I want to vibrate high and higher for the rest of my life in a sober way. I did all the other ways. That's old. Well, maybe not all, but you know what I mean. Hard work house out. I love you.